Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Holbrook. I'm the Title I teacher at Memorial Park. It is so nice to see you. So I will be working with you on foundations this year. Now, I need to tell you something. This is my friend Baby Echo. He's going to be working with us a lot. So, do you know what echo means? Yeah, kind of like when you go in a tunnel and you scream, ah, and then the sound comes back. It's called your echo. So since his name's Baby Echo, anytime he looks at me and I speak, and then he looks at you, he wants you to repeat what I say or echo it back. Okay, let's practice a few things. Hi. Did you say hi? Whatever I say, and then Baby Echo looks at you, you repeat. Let's try it again. I love pizza. School is the best. Foundations is my favorite. Great job with all that echoing. Now the next thing you need to know is that Baby Echo really loves to dance. So sometimes a song comes on and he just breaks out and dance. And we just have to say, okay, Echo, that's enough. Okay, so what do you say we get started? These are the letters that you've learned so far this year. And today I'm going to teach you two new letters. You might already know them and remember them from last year, but we're going to review them. They're both plain line round letters. So that plain line, please hold. Here's my whiteboard paper, just like you have at home. And we know the plain line is the one that goes in the middle. So these are plain line round letters because they're both going to be round and start on the plain line. So take a look at the first letter. A, apple, a. Did you repeat that whole story? Okay, our keyword is the apple because the beginning of apple says ah, and that's the sound that A makes. Let's do it again. A, apple, ah. Good. Now there's something special about this card. What color is it? That's right, it's pink or we call it salmon. Look at the ones we learned last week. Three of them are that same color. Anyone know what these are called? Vowels, that's right. And vowels are very special. We can really stretch out our vowels until we run out of breath. Let's see how long we can all hold the A sound. Ready? Do it with me. Are you still going? Oh, good for you. So vowels we like to stretch out. They go on forever. Okay. And now I want to show you Baby Echo, where do we think that A goes on our standard card? Anyone know where A goes in the alphabet? What's that? Oh, it goes first. It's the first letter in our alphabet. Yay. So there, now we have our A to start off our alphabet. That is excellent. Now notice the A looks a little bit different here. A lot of times we see the A like this, but in books, sometimes people print it or type it like that. You don't have to write it that way. We're going to learn to write it this way in class. Okay, my friends. Ready for our next letter? What do you see? Yeah, it's like a game. Maybe Monopoly. That could be it. And this is the letter G. So when we say this one, we say G, game, G. G says G. And what color is this card? Good. It's yellow. So it's a consonant. Vowel, consonant. Now let's add G to our standard cards. Doesn't go there. It does go after the F, but it starts the new row. G, game, G. Okay. Let me bring over my Extension poster. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so remember when we do this, we are going to sing our vowels. So do it with me. Here we go. A, apple, a. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, ah. Very nice singing, everybody. Okay, my friends, it's time for us to practice writing our new letters. So everybody needs to stand up and get your skywriting ready. That means you should have your arm out very straight and a two-finger pencil tip. Okay, we want to really see these letters be written in the sky. So I'm going to write this way so you can see it, and I'm going to picture that right up here on the ceiling, I can really see that letter. I'm going to think that they're all coming out in purple today. I like purple. Okay, so here we go. Everybody, you have to picture in your head that you can see a plane line. Point to the plane line. Repeat after me. Point to the plane line. Go back on the plane line, then down around on the grass line. Repeat that. And then up to the plane line and trace back down to the grass line. A, apple, a. Let's do it one more time. Every time I pause and Echo looks at you, I want you to repeat it. You should be standing and doing this. Point to the plane line. Go back on the plane line, then down around to the grass line. And up to the plane line. Trace back down to the grass line. A, apple, a. Let's do it one more time. You can skywrite, but I'm going to do it on my whiteboard so that I know you can really understand what I'm saying. Okay. Point to the plane line. Go back on the plane line, then down around to the grass line. And up to the plane line, and then back down to the grass line. A, apple, a. Okay. If you need to pause this video here and practice the A in the skywriting a few more times, you can. Let's shake it out and get ready to do the G. This time I'm going to show you the G nice and close first, and then I'll skywrite. So the G is a plain line round letter too, so it starts just like the A. So you'll point to the plane line, you'll trace back on the plane line, down and around, way back to the plane line. See that? And then you're going to go trace down all the way to the worm line and make a curve. G, game, go. So I can do all my beautiful G's. Okay, let's skywrite that together and echo me. Get your two fingers ready. Arms are straight. Let's have green shoot out this time. Here we go. Point to the plane line. Trace back on the plane line. Down and around all the way back to the plane line. Trace back down all the way to the worm line and make a curve. G, game, go. Let's do it once more. Point to the plane line. Trace back down on the plane line. All the way back to the plane line. Trace back down to the worm line and make a curve. G, game, go. Nice job. Okay, everybody, I'd like you to have your whiteboard and a dry erase marker at home. I'm going to say a sound and you'll repeat it and then write it. So, what says ah? Repeat after me, ah. Write the letter that says ah on your dry erase board. And after you write it, I want to hear you say its name. A, apple, ah. Let's do a whole row of A's. Make sure you're pinching your marker and making a table underneath and taking your time. You should be starting on that plane line, going down to the grass line, and back down to the grass line. A, apple, ah. Great. Now, pause here if you need to and do as many A's as you need. Okay, welcome back after pausing. Repeat after me. G. Which letter says G? There it is. That one looks different. The A and the G both look a little different than the way we write them. Let's go ahead and write the letter that says G. G. Start at the plane line, go around, down to the grass line, back up to the plane line, and go down to the worm line and make a curve. G, game, go. Go ahead, do a whole row of A's and G's. Okay, friends, let's try a few more sounds that we've already learned. What says it? Say it. Good. Go ahead, and I want you to write the letter that says it on your whiteboard. Aha, here's my whiteboard. I'm going to erase my A's and G's, and all of you are starting at the plane line, going down to the grass line, and giving it a dot. I, itch, it. Good. You can do a whole row of those I's. Let's try another one. Pause if you need to finish your row of I's. Repeat after me. What says mmm? What letter? Very good. M says mmm. So let's get our whiteboards again and practice doing an M. Who remembers where the M starts? It's a plain line letter, that's right. So you point to the plain line, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, make a hump, and then back up to the plain line and make another hump. M, man, mmm. Good. Go ahead and pause it and practice your whole row of M's. Great job, guys. And the very last thing that we're going to do today is get out our student notebooks. You go find yours, and Baby Echo and I are going to go fly and find ours. Oh, student notebook, where are you? Here we come flying in. Okay, so in your student notebook, you have a sound section in the very beginning. It says sounds. This first page is all the consonants, the yellow cards. And then you have all the consonants a little bit bigger. And then you have your vowels, the salmon cards. I want you to first, let's find the letter A. So stay on that short vowel page. Should be page 10. And everybody point to the letter's name. What's the letter's name? A. What's the keyword, the picture? That's right, the apple. And what sound does it make? Ah. And that shows you the ah sound. You'll learn that a little bit later. I want you to pause here and color in that picture of an apple. Okay, my friends, after you did your A in your student notebook, now we need to add the G. So search in your consonants for that letter G. It should look like this. Remember, it's the game, and that's on page 3. Everybody, what's this letter's name? Point to it. G. What's the picture, the key word to help us? Game. And what sound does it make? G. I want you to color in that game and be thinking about G, game, to help you remember G. Nice job today, everybody. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye.